Chapter 2, Section 4 is over adding integers. And on their legacy chart, there's a little hints on how to add and subtract integers. You're going to use the same 3 steps. It's going to be if there's same signs, you're going to add, different signs you're going to subtract, and then the third step you're always going to use, and it's use the larger number sign for the answer. Sometimes you might just add and then go to the larger number sign for the answer. Sometimes you might have to subtract and then go to the larger sign. Sometimes you might not use both step 1 and 2. Sometimes you might use both, but you're always going to use the third step. So the main idea here is to add integers, where you're looking at a -6 plus a -3. And this is just showing you on the number line. So if you started at 0 and you went -6, it's there. Then a plus and a minus sign, you're going to subtract that because different signs you subtract. So you're going to keep going, a -1, 2, 3, so it would be a -9. We're going to go on down and work without the number line. So like on example 2, it says -34 plus a -21. Well, these are different signs, so we're going to subtract that. So it's going to be -34 minus 21. They're both negative, so your answer is going to be negative. It's going to be -55. And you can also think that a -34 and either a -21 or a -21, they're both a minus sign, so you're going to add them up, and you're going to take the larger number sign. 34 or 21 is larger. Well, 34 is larger, so you're going to take the negative sign. A, it's -5 plus a -2, and that is just different signs, so you'll use the subtraction sign, and then it's going to be a -5 -7 or -7, so they're both the same sign, so now you're going to add them. That'd be 7, then you're going to take the larger sign. Well, out of just the number 5 and 2, 5's larger, so it's a negative. A few more vocab words. It says the integers 5 and -5 are called opposites of each other because they are the same distance from 0, but on opposite sides of 0. 2 integers that are opposite are also called additive inverses. And this is on our number line. The 0 is right there in the middle, -5 is over here, and 5 is over here. And they're the exact same distance from 0. And that is how you add integers.